kiddo wanted to come to round one again in Burbank. There aren't many sneaker shops, but let's look around. Were there any Jordan releases this past weekend? I don't know. Apparently they came out with some Easter 3s and all kinds of pastel color. And $215 for these. I can't believe they still got the El Grito 3s right here, $230. These came out like forever ago. They got the black UNC 14s from last week. These are pretty cool. I do like the 14s. I do like them. They have two different ones. One's with these things, these lines right here, and one's without them. Yeah, these are definitely interesting. 205. They also got these 9s. 13s that just came out last weekend. Mellow 12s. Flight Club 4s. All-Star Weekend 1s. Taxis right here. Jordan 1 lows right here. Jordan 1 low OGs. Then got this one on sale. $130 for these. That's cheaper than some of the outlets, actually. I've been seeing these at the outlets, but I think they've been like a little bit more at the outlets, right? And they got a plethora of mids and lows on sale as well. $90 for a bunch of the mids and the lows, $100 for some. And then there's these 5s as well. I think these are like at $180. Yeah, $180 for these. Coming to the New Balance section, is it me or have we not been seeing that many 574s at Shoe Palaces lately? They got these gray ones right here, $60. These have like climbed up to $100 in retail now. That 1906 2002 R's right there. On sale for $100. Got some 1000s for $80 on the bottom. Got some Cloud Monster 1s on sale. This is the older one. They have the Cloud Monster 2s, right? I don't know how much they're different, but yeah, these are on sale. Pretty dope. $130 for these. These go for like $180 or something like that. So pretty nice little discount. That's their max cushion shoe. Is this the first time we've seen these on sale? I don't know, $180 for the women's 4s, and then these ones with the baseball stitching. I kind of like these. They're on sale as well. $120 for the mids. Do they have the lows? I don't see the lows here, so I guess they sold out before they went on sale. Got some Air Max 95s. Go for $100, not bad. Here in LA, most people don't wear boots too often, so these bad boys on sale. These are the Geodomes, right? The Geodomes, these got the exposed air units. And yeah, these ain't bad. $140. These, well, like, I think these boots look cooler than most other ones. I don't really mess with boots too much, so won't really see me wearing boots anytime soon. Most likely. These are all the Nikes on sale. I've showed these so many times. These look dope though, dude. The book one Halloween's right here. Got all the little scorpions and some of that's patent leather. $100 for those. Horses, $270s, $120. Got the LeBrons right here, $120 for these as well. So I got a couple of the Easter releases. I don't know how many guys are buying these. $130 for these. New pair of Dunks right here that I've never seen before. Dunk lows. Like a burlap satin material type of, I don't know. But yeah, $130 color. Blocking actually isn't bad. Different materials. I kind of like those actually. And they got this one right here as well. Should they be like right next to each other? But they got these right here for $130. I like the color on that one a little more. Nike basketball right here. Some KDs. This like material is different from some of the other KDs, right? The KD 18s right there. Ja 3s right there. We have been seeing Vomero pluses and stuff. We've been seeing some of them on sale. And whenever they drop to like $130 and stuff, people are buying them. So it doesn't look like we're gonna see them too cheap at the retail shops, at the Nike outlets. There are times when we see them a little bit cheaper. Then they've been coming out with a bunch of different teams. Here's the Cardinals right here, $145. And then the Niners one right here, $145 for these. Not bad, not bad. They got one of these here. So let's go to the men's sneaker section over here, where they got some pretty empty shelves, I guess. Not been visiting too many Ross Burlingtons lately. And they got some, what are these, Arukus, smaller size. What are these, the Field General? I don't know, $50. Some Scoots right here for $40. Size 8.5, a little better. Size 9, not really. I guess just on inventory, not really quality-wise. I got some football cleats. These are size 13, 30 bucks. Graphics look pretty cool on them. Got some Nike, what are these? The Manoas, size 13. What's the price on them? $60. Selection pretty slim here, dude. Oh, look at this. Nike wrestling shoes. Don't really see this too often. Rarely ever see this. Holy crap. But yeah, do you got for 60 bucks? Pegasus waves right here, 75. 13 and above. 13 all the way to 22 apparently. 13 and above. They got stuff, but nothing too great. This is the Dame Certifies, $35. Some crazy, insane, huge KDs right here for $41. But yeah, not much other than this light that's giving me a headache. Talk about you, man. Oh my goodness, I just saw the most retarded mother. What the hell? All right, women's section right here. Yeah, the selection here pretty freaking slim. Other than these dang Sarukus or whatever. Juniper Trail. Like, we've seen these like 500 times, right? Got Blazers for 55. Campus for 50. Blazers being marked down, but not only $5? Really? $5? All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the Ross across the street because ain't nothing here, nothing. And right across the street, they seem to have more sneakers over here. More interesting stuff, maybe $90 for Air Max DNs. Impulsing light prices are a little bit higher though. $70 for Lucas. These are like a size 8. Yeah. Pegasus Wave, $70. Air Max 95s. There's a lot of you Air Max fans. 90 or 85 bucks. Witness 7s, 50 bucks. KD 18s going for 70. What are these, Air Max Plus or something? A variant of those, 85. Definitely seeing a lot more interesting stuff here. Got some SL 72s. Those are going for what, 40. Got some, what are these, like Phantoms or something? I don't think these are Phantoms. I don't know. With some Under Armour's, 45. Even got Forces going for way too much at 85 though. That's crazy. Got a bunch of Clippers, Crocs right here, $30. I know the retail's way higher on those. Some books right here. Some books. Super colorful Nike swoosh on it. It's kind of interesting. Another price though. No price tag. Oh wait, there's a price tag. $70. Not bad. Got more of those. Got some TL Shocks 90. Got a ton of these. Got some DN8s right here. Go for 85. More of these SL 72s right here, 45. The hell are these? Oh, we've been seeing. I think I like saw like the purple one or something. 9.5. Go for 90. Another one of these in the size 10 right here. I think 11 and above are over here. Organization, not really a thing at this place. Size 12, 70, size 17. It's a first game colorway, go for 70. DNs right here, 80. Oh, these finally got marked down. These Witnesses? What are these? I thought these were Witness. Never mind, 24 bucks. Okay, this one is actually pretty dope. The GT Hustle 3s right here is size 12. Size 12 for $70. That's actually really nice because these retail for like 180 or 200. So actually that's a hell of a price. This thing's tripping though. And of course, more of these. Oh, those were GT Cut 3s, GT Hustle. What are these? 2s or 3s? GT Hustles right here go for 90. Decent price. Pretty decent colorway too. That's a size 11. Another GT Hustle right here, size 12 for 90. So decent stuff here. Way better than Burlington. Metcons. These are Metcon 9s? I think these are Metcon 9s. I don't know the price. Got another one of those GT Cut 3s on the floor. Some Air Max 90s, 11.5, 65. Then more of the KDs. One of these in a crazy use. So this is a size 18 right there. That's about it for the sneakers. All kinds of MLS jerseys. These are all size small though. Or extra small, $30. That's a pretty crazy selection of extra small jerseys. Red Bull New York. Not really seeing any soccer jerseys here. Look at this. Atlanta Braves. Cooperstown Collection. This is a Nike right here. This is a small $30. Like a warm-up? What is like a warm-up jersey? Pretty freaking dope. They got one. Oh, this is an extra small as well. Bigger size, they just got like this U-game stuff. Nothing too crazy in the mediums. Okay, finally found one of these in the medium. $30. Atlanta United FC. What is this? Ooh, a Charlotte blank jersey. This is a blank Charlotte jersey. Mitchell and S. $60. Since when have they ever done? What the hell? Like a blank? I don't think that had the blank ones for 60. I don't know. Hey, if you're a Charlotte fan, not bad. What's this baseball one right here? Guardians one right here, medium for 20. Guardians right here, medium. Guardians for 20. I might know someone for this. It's only $20. Another one of these Braves in a large, which is actually pretty dope, especially since it's a Nike. Okay, another one here in an XL. In San Diego, jersey double XL 30. Maybe apparel's getting a little better. It's double XL. Like a pullover. There's a Clippers 70 down to 25. And a couple more of these. So maybe apparel's getting a little bit better. Alright, let's go check out the women's shoe section. Bigger sizes right here, $90 for the Shocks TLs. Got some All-Stars. Are these no, these aren't Chuck 90. These are weird shape though. Like a women's high heel, I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's like they're high heels. They go up like that. Yeah, 40 for those. And they got a couple more of those. I'll go for 40. Boston 13s right here. Look at this. $50 for Boston 13s. Are you serious? Boston Adizero 13s for $50. These are size 11 women's. Should be a size 10 men's. Dang, they're a little bit tight. Dang it, I need a 10 and a half men's. This is a 10 men's. God dang it, I thought I came up. Ooh. Oh, no, that's a UK weight. Okay, yeah, UK size. So yeah, I need a 10 and a half. Dang it. Dang nabbit. These retail for $180. Some really good running shoe. Not the most cushiony, but they are supposed to be hella fast. To have carbon fiber rods and stuff like that. That Continental cushioning. $50 freaking dollars. What a freaking steal. If they had an 11 and a half, I'd definitely grab it, but dang. Hurts me to throw them back. Still in the bigger size, got some Air Max right here for 60. Here's Mafate Speed 2 Hokas. Going for 90. These are Angel Reese, I believe. Oh, let me know if I'm wrong. 35. There's some Jordan 1 lows right here. Yep. What they talking about? Oh, they've been reduced. $56. Air Max DNs go for 90. Another Boston 13 right here. Definitely not the size I need though. 9.5 women's. 9.5 women's. $50. That is such a steal. If any of you guys are runners or women are runners. Another one of these. Air Max 270s. Down to $70. That's actually not bad. Another one of these. So many different colorways. Another one of those Asia ones. Right here, $50. Adizero sprinting spikes right here. Sprinting spikes, 31. Shocks right here, $90. Got some Cortez in a very small size, $50. And even these Ultra Boosts right here, 5.5, way small though. $52, not bad. I think it's getting better. I think these Ross visits getting better. Burlington, not really. And I'm gonna go buy this. $20 freaking dollars. $20, especially for a size medium, not bad. I know a Guardian fan or several Guardian fans, so might be worth it.